Alright, back with another live trading video, and we might have a setup forming right now. Okay, so if you look at the 10-minute, it's a little bit of a dicey place, but we haven't tapped into any bearish zone that I'm looking at, but we just tapped into a fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap. So I'm looking at that, and I'm like, okay, you know the rules. Right, we got this gap right here. If we can get a break past this zone, past this candle, this black candle right here, have that come down, aim for the upside. We got this draw right here. This fair value gap ends right there. And yeah, seems like price may tap into this zone right here, this 2-minute zone, and that's a nice thing if it does, because that'll give me even more confluence. It tapped into a 10-minute fair value gap, which we can see right here in this whole jump, and now it might tap into a 2-minute basically fair value gap. It's in a 2-minute fair value gap right now, but we haven't gotten like a break of a candle. And then if and when we get that, that's when we'll just continue with what else we look for. Alright, we still haven't gotten a break of a candle. But if we do on this candle, then we'll be looking to target this zone right here. I really wanted to tap into this area. I'd really love that. Okay, price just kind of tapped into the zone. We got 3 seconds left. Price is getting deeper into the zone. So, yeah, we'll see. Okay, price just broke past this zone, so I'm just going to remove it. And we're just going to go back to the 10 and see what we got. All right. So we have this fair value gap. But then we also have this just regular support and resistance zone. So let's go back to the 2. And let's see if we can get a breaking candle above this. And if we do, then we may be looking at this zone right here, potentially. But we gotta get a break of a candle first, so yeah. Okay, price is deeper into the zone now. This is on the 10-minute. Going back on the 2-minute, this is how price looks like here. We're getting a bit of a wick rejection on this candle. We got 30 or less than 40 seconds left. Let's see what we can do. If price doesn't do anything here, then we do have this 10-minute zone down here. But if price doesn't care about any of that, then we may be looking for sells, potentially. But this looks like a great rejection. We got less than 20 seconds left of this candle. Let's see if we can get a candle break. So the next candle breaks it, and then we'll be looking for this zone right here, depending on where it closes in the next second or so. Okay, so this candle, if we get a candle break, I'll be looking to take this buy right here. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so price has this small candle right here. We got less than 20 seconds left. Again, we'll be looking for the same thing. Candle to close, price comes up, we go ahead and then potentially look for that. All right, got 5 seconds left, or 3 seconds, 2 seconds? Yeah, it's a countdown, so I don't know. I'm like, oh, we have more time. So that'll be 9 ticks. So if we get a break, then I'll be looking for this setup right here. Okay, I don't know what this guy wants to do. I don't know if he cares. I'm just following my rules, y'all. Just follow my rules. If it breaks past this, we have one more bullish zone that I'd be looking at. And then if it breaks past that, then I'll probably, change my bias to sells. But let's see first. Okay, so price just broke past that zone, so I don't care about it. Let's see if it cares about this zone right here. If it doesn't, then might be going for sells. Okay, prices broke past this. So, low-key, I'm looking for sells. Okay, so I'm looking at this zone right here. Potential sell. Stop loss. One tick above this. TP. This better not be what I think is going to happen to me. They about to pull some liquidity bullshit. They better not pull that bullshit. Okay, 93675. So, yeah. This is our zone right here. They better not pull that bullshit. They better not pull that liquidity. Oh, we just wanted to grab liquidity. Then, yeah, we actually do want to go up. Like, please don't do me dirty like that. Please don't do me dirty like that. We're getting close to the zone.
Order filled.
Okay. We are in this setup. I can lose. I can and will be wrong. But yeah. I'll let you know because, yeah, I'm in the bathroom right now. Wow. Fan-fucking-tastic, bro. Fan-fucking-tastic. They grabbed liquidity. They filled in a 10-minute or something, and then they just want to do this bullshit. Wow. Wow. Okay, we're about to get stopped out. This is fucking fantastic. Alright, well, fuck you, bitch. Here we go.
Stop filled.
Well, fuck. Oh, fuck off all the way. Bro, I followed my... Oh, shit, hold on. I followed my rules, and they doing me dirty like this. Bruh, like... Wow. This is fucking fantastic. 10 minute. The screenshot. It's fucking bullshit. Look. It broke past this zone. So we have all of this to go. So it just tapped into this area right here. This little bit of a gap right here that they had left. They just tapped into that. Or whatever. Like, what the fuck did they even tap into? Right? Like, look on the 2 minute. There's nothing here. It just passed everything that was there. And then it just grabbed that. Whatever. And then it did the thing that we were looking for. Some fucking bullshit. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just fucking here. Price just tapped into a 10-minute zone right here. I mean, it looks bullish all the way, so if price even stops here, I don't know. Curious to see what price wants to do. Let's see how price reacts to this zone. Price just absolutely blast through it, and by the way, there's no news or high impact news, that is. Oh, medium impact news. But that was at 8:30, and I did all of this. It was really start getting the push at 8:40. On some rah-rah. So price just broke past this, so don't give a fuck about that zone. But we got another zone on the 10 minute. It's over here. Common edge reversal area. So let's see if price also wants to do the same or it doesn't care and it's going to continue this bullish. Like, even though it's bullish, I don't want to go through this because which zone is it going to go through? It could go through this one. It could go to this one. It could come all the way back down and tap in this 10 minute. It's too bullish. Like, even though, you know, you could go with the bullish bias, it's like too bullish. No pullback. Like, that's scary. Look at how price have come up all the way over here. There's been some little minor pullbacks, but still pullbacks. Okay, so price just tapped into that bearish zone. I'm looking for the exact same thing. In fact, I'll invert the chart, invert the scale, just to make it feel a little bit more, you know, in quotes, normal or natural to me. But we're potentially looking for sells. Price just tapped to a 10-minute zone. Going down here, waiting for price to give us a break of the candle. So waiting for this candle to potentially break this candle. If we get that, then we look for a zone over here for price to potentially go back up or down in this case. And since we're so close to the zone, if we get that price, might as well just have it like this. Move that. We didn't get a candle break. I'm not doing nothing. We got 30 seconds left in this candle, and we didn't get a candle break, so I'm sitting on my hands. I'm waiting. I want to see what the fuck they trying to do. Alright. Got less than 20 seconds left. Look like it's about to break past the zone. Said fuck this zone. But I'm not about to just take it just because I see it, you know. Once price break past this, then I won't go for this buy right here. But if price break past this, then I might go for this buy. But I gotta see a break. Like, I'm not about to do no weird shit, you know what I mean? Alright. Let's see if this might give us what we're looking for. But yeah. Okay, we got this candle right here. We got less than almost 20 seconds left. Trying to see, the price is probably not gonna break past this, but let's see if the next candle breaks past this. Now we could potentially take this zone right here. Okay, so price just broke past that. I don't even know. I don't even feel confident, to be honest. I don't know, man. I think I might just call it a day. I don't see anything that I like. I saw something that I liked, and then I got stopped out. Now it's like I don't even know who they are anymore. You know, it's just not my thing, bro. I'm so pressed about that. Like, that's some bullshit. But whatever. I think price is getting. Price is just absolutely going up right now. I don't even know if I feel like I'm just chasing, to be honest. Not doing anything other than following my rules, but it's just going like. Wow, I'm looking back at that and I'm like, man, was that a dumb, like, I don't feel so. Like, price kind of tapped into the thing, it broke past this, and then it wicked it down here. Now, while there's some stuff, there's still gaps down here, so I'm thinking, okay, price is reversing, price just broke structure, but it was just liquidity. And now it's just going higher and higher, and it's just absolutely like crazy. Like, it's like I don't even want to trade this. Like, I'm gonna be honest, like, I don't even want to trade this. So I think I'm gonna just call it here. Alright, so we had one loss on the day. Bit of a bummer, but what can I do, right? I just try to do my best. Yeah, let me go send the pictures to Discord. Literally fighting demons, bro. 10-minute right here. It's like in this liquidity, 10-minute bearish liquidity zone-ish area. I was looking at it, and I'm like, wow, price gave a break of the candle. Wow, price, now we would be looking for price to come back into the zone and then take it down. And I wanted to take this setup, but I asked myself, if price doesn't hit TP, would I be happy, or would I be okay with it? Like, if I lost even more money today, would I be okay with that? And I don't know, but I still wanted to take the setup. I just wanted to talk about that, talk about this, because watch this be the one that hits TV. Shall we wait together in despair? Because I'm a little sad. I just, other than the cell setup, I just don't feel comfortable with any of these setups, even though, it just sucks because I know that there's going to be a setup that aligns with my rules today, and I just won't be in it. But yeah, I'm not going to trade. I already took off NinjaTrader from my computer, so I don't, maybe I could do it on my simulator demo account, but I don't know, man. If I feel like I don't know and it's like I just want to go so I can make money, and I should just leave. But anyway, yeah, I just wrote about it and my loot losses. Just did a screenshot, typed a little bit about the bullshit, and yeah, I think that's gonna be the end for me. I'm gonna be haunted by this setup because I feel like it's gonna drop. Alright, man. We're gonna end it here because it's not gonna get any prettier than this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully tomorrow I can come back with, and it's a better day. I just want to protect myself because I'm not in the best mood. So yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, I didn't quite end the video because I was looking at this joint, I don't know. This is like a 1-to-1. Down there, the second one is a 1-to-2. So I have a job interview that I gotta go to, but it's remote. So, but yeah, I was just waiting because price got all the way up there. So I was just like, all right, let me hear the beep so it can make myself feel better for not taking this setup, or And then as soon as I pick up the camera, it looks like they're gaining momentum. I'm definitely going to end it right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow.